Hello fellas, today we're going to discuss 5 critical steps for real transformation. I'll share with you the keys to transforming your life using masculinity. And no empty talk, I'll keep it concise. If you want, I can delve into each point in detail in the next video. Let's get started. Take control of your mind. The first step is to take control of your mind. Direct your thoughts towards self-improvement and create a positive internal dialogue. By boosting your mental strength, you can be more effective in every area of your life. Read books, watch motivational videos, and practice mental exercises like meditation to develop yourself. Take responsibility and explore income opportunities. The second step is taking responsibility and empowering yourself financially. Take charge of your life and explore alternative ways to earn money. Start your own business or increase your income through investments. Additionally, attend training and courses to learn new skills. Exercise daily. The third step is to take care of your mind and body health. Relieve your mind and strengthen your body by exercising daily. Exercise improves your physical and mental health, making you more energetic and focused. Also, push yourself and challenge your limits while working out. Adopt healthy eating habits. The fourth step is to adopt healthy eating habits. Consume nutritious foods and avoid harmful ones like fast food. Healthy eating provides your body with the nutrients it needs, making you more energetic and healthy. Also, pay attention to your daily water intake and stay adequately hydrated. Focus on problem solving and continuous improvement. The final step is to focus on problem solving and continuous growth. Don't fear facing challenges and seek solutions to overcome every difficulty. Constantly improve yourself, prioritize yourself in life, and achieve the desired outcomes. Also, read personal development books and further your advancement through mentorship. All right, dear friends, here are the foundations of real transformation. By implementing these 5 steps, you'll see what it means to transform your life and unleash your potential. Thank you for watching this video. Start a real transformation by applying these 5 steps. See you in the next video.